guys, this is Kawaii Slime's first giveaway, so here are the rules. The first rule is you must subscribe to our channel for your first chance. Second, you must subscribe to Prism Slime and comment in their most recent video, Kawaii Slime, for your second chance to win. Number 3, you must subscribe to Kawaii Squishies for your third chance to win. I will link all the channels below. Fourth, you have to comment in this video why you want the slime and what is your favorite slime. Number 5, you must be 18 and older or have an adult supervision to enter. Sixth, once you have commented, I will comment back entered, which means you have been entered. Please do not comment entered. Drawings will be on March 1st, 2017. I must be able to contact you within 48 hours through YouTube, Instagram, or gmail.com. Good luck. Now let's go on to the prizes. So the first prize will contain this glitter, green glitter. You could add it to any slime you want. Second, we have this pearl slime. Super pretty. And this pops really well if you know how to use it. So all you have to do is just stretch it out really big and then put it all together. And oh, I didn't really do it right, but it crunches really loud. The third one will be this purple, purple slime, which already has sparkles in it, or glitter. Fourth will be this just plain slime. Oh, super soft. Then you will get this little cute panda. Pretty slow rising. Then these tags, which can be useful for naming your slime or organizing. And yeah. The next prize will consist of this glitter jar. The clear slime, which actually looks a bit pearly. Then it will come with this other pearl one, which really pops good. Then this purple slime. Then you will get this squishy, which is a different design. It has its tongue sticking out. Super squishy. Then these tags to help you organize your slime. That's all I have for you guys today. Drawings will be on March 1st. Good luck, everyone. Bye!